Welcome! In this updated guide, we will discuss how to fix Snapchat app not working issues. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve problems with the Snapchat app. 1. Restart the app and your device. Begin by restarting the Snapchat app and then rebooting your device to refresh the app's functionality. 2. Check for Snapchat updates. Make sure your Snapchat app is up to date by checking for and installing any available updates from the App Store. 3. Clear Snapchat's cache and data. Clear the cache and data of the Snapchat app on your device to improve app performance and resolve any underlying issues. 4. Check Snapchat's server status. Verify the status of Snapchat's servers to ensure that any app-related problems are not due to server issues. 5. Uninstall and reinstall. Snapchat. If the app continues to not work properly, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Snapchat app on your device. 6. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection on your device, as connectivity issues can impact the app's functionality. 7. Enable or disable VPN. Adjust your VPN settings by enabling or disabling it to see if it affects the app's performance. 8. Ensure background data is not restricted. Check that background data is not restricted for the Snapchat app in your device settings to allow for proper app functionality. 9. Check your phone's storage. Ensure that your device has sufficient storage space available for the Snapchat app to function properly. 10. Log out and log back in. Log out of your Snapchat account, and then log back in to refresh your session and potentially resolve any issues. 11. Check for common error messages. Look out for any common error messages within the app and troubleshoot them accordingly. 12. Try a different device or tool. If possible, try accessing Snapchat from a different device or tool to see if the issue is specific to your current device. 13. Uninstall and reinstall the app. As a final troubleshooting step, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app to start fresh and potentially fix any persistent issues. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Snapchat app not working problems. Thank you for watching, and we hope these solutions help you enjoy a smoother experience on Snapchat.